hold a public meeting. That public meeting and time and date is still set. It was to include other organisations. That's not to say that, as you've just said, there will be another meeting, but I guess this is just for the want and a request by members of the public of Turangi, and we haven't been briefed on anything. If we want to hear, we'll go along and have a listen.
Okay, the other thing on this agenda item number 3 is Zone 2 meeting being held in Whakatane 13th and 14th of September. Travel and accommodation only, there's no attendance fees. I will be attending and I will be accommodating myself, and I would request that you approve. Councillor Downard will attend with me and we'll be staying at our own residences without any cost to the council. So if there's nothing for or against that, I would ask for... I'm sorry, Councillor Heckling?
Well, I would also like to attend, Your Worship.
You're more than welcome to come, and you're more than welcome to stay for free with me.
I wasn't...
well, that's the offer.
I wasn't anticipating that offer, but...
It's comfortable, it's on the beach.
I'm sure it would be. I'm sure it would be.
And definitely separate rooms, Mr. Heckling.
No, there's a flat downstairs. Okay, so there's 3 people to a Zone 2 meeting. There is no cost to council. The council attends at the following conference, yeah. And we have no other requests for that month. Councillor Williams?
Just one question. Your presentation tomorrow, Your Worship, too.
I'm still waiting for it. Is it here? It's just arrived, is it? Double checking it right now. And it's actually Thursday. Mike and I are in Hamilton. It's been changed to Hamilton. 10 o'clock, isn't it?
9 o'clock.
9, is it?
Ibis Hotel.
Okay. Well, so you know more than me because I haven't had a chance to read it yet. It's hot off the press.
Oh, so it's
Can they have copies?
so 9 o'clock.
Is it? 9 o'clock Thursday?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
10.
But I'll meet you at 9.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So so if I'm not saying I can, but are we welcome to come along and support you?
I thought you were going to Wellington? Yeah, of course. But I thought you were going to Wellington.
Tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow. Well, you'll have to come if you want. Well, you can come I guess.
Me, yeah.
I'm actually travelling to Auckland tomorrow, and I'm coming back to Hamilton on Thursday morning, where I'll be meeting with Mike. And if you want to come, you're welcome to come.
So who do you present?
The select committee.
Oh, yeah.
I think
travelling, instead of us going down to Wellington, we're going to...
Oh, yeah.
Because Tauranga are going over
Louise
there
used to be a member of local government environment, but...
Yeah, who's on the select committee?
With Bay of Plenty.
Yeah.
Quite interesting, the questions that one of the mayors has already sent me, the questions he got asked. What did I do with them? Oh, I've got too much paper around here. You're more than welcome to come, Nicola, as far as I know. Is there no reason why she can't, is there? Eh?
Your Worship, just think it would be quite interesting to get a report back of the other submitters too. Or I'd be interested to hear that. But
a little bit of a report.
Who else will be submitting at that hearing?
All the Bay of Plenty mayors, Waikato mayors. We have agreed, as you gave me permission once before, that we do have a joint submission being with the Bay of Plenty mayors being presented by Mayor Stuart Crosby.
Yeah.
That's it. That's his one. Then I think it's 10 o'clock or something like that. We present our one.
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Chairman, it's Bay of Plenty Regional Council, Western Bay of Plenty District Council, South Waikato District Council, Taupo District Council, Opotiki District Council, Rotorua, Whakatane District Council, and Tauranga City Council and Kaurau District Council.
Yeah. So, and I think our time's 20 minutes at 10 or something. I have to check it yet. Councillor Kipper?
I'm just thinking, Mayor, I wouldn't mind attending Zone 2. I'll come along as the sober driver, make up a carload.
I hope your club's only about 100 metres away, but I'll take up the offer. And there's plenty of room there for you, so if Councillor Downer, you're happy with that?
If there isn't, I do have...
there is no expense to council. It's been held at the Hopi Club. And there's a couple of flats under my house, so you're more than welcome. So it'll be 4 people. It'll be Councillor Hickling, Kepper, Downard and Cooper will be your suggested resolution for your Zone 2 meeting on the 13th and 14th of September. Is that all right? You speak up, I can't hear, Sean. Oh, yeah. Okay, so you'll organise that, sure? You're allowed to take 4? You are, aren't you?
You can submit.
It's all good? So could I have a mover, please, for the suggested resolution at the bottom, including those 4 councillors' names? Moved down it, I think, and seconded. Kepa. All in favour?
Aye.
I don't know. Anne's pulling faces. Gerald's pulling faces. Could you speak up so we could all hear what the problem is, or if it's a problem? Well, we're setting out a runner. Okay, well, if they won't tell me, we'll move to members' reports, please. Agenda item number 40, and I'll go around the room this way, clockwise.